Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I wanted to just give you an update on the last trade that I took. You can see this one is on like about $1,000 in profit. So I mean, it's very close to hitting our target. As you can see. Um, so like, I mean, man, like this candle, you see, like it went very it's went very close to that one, and then it's just like, yeah. So what I'll do, I'll just I'll exit the trade and like let's talk about the next trade setup that we can hold. Or you know what, like I'll just let it run. I'll explain it to you. The next market scenario. Okay. So let me just clear out the drawing. You can see these were the drawing that were made. I mean, it didn't exactly did this, but like this was longer form of this. Eventually, it did went up there. Okay. And if you see, um, so if you see here, so this was the, my prediction about that, it's gonna retrace back, and this is what happened. And you see a lot of last point of support happening there, okay, around the support level. Okay, so I'll just erase those drawing and let's turn off the this one for a bit right now. And what I'll do is I'll go to higher time frame and see what's going on. So see, it's trying to break out this resistance, you see, and the support is holding very strongly, right? And technically speaking, it has broken out of that. So what I'm expecting more upside movement if if we already broke breaking about that, like 49 minutes left on this candle close, 4 hour candle. So this is the very important resistance level. You see this one, and this is a L, like midpoint on the distribution structure. And here it's just the resistance. So it has very good energetic. It needs market needs to break above this level with a lot of energy of buying. Okay, and you can see here this was the secondary test of this spring that was made. So if it's a secondary test, then like we can expect it to go up to this point, which is the high of this. You see, like around 3% gain, around 95K. Okay. So yeah, guys, like market looks good, Um, yeah, and let's see what happens. Okay. So I'll um, go to 1 hour time frame. You see, again, we're making a secondary test here after this lot of action. Okay. We this was my prediction yesterday. I mean, like analysis. When we break above that, when we pull back, this is what's gonna happen. Okay, and this is the structure that actually stays consistent across the market. Okay, no matter what market you trade, these lines are drawn mathematically. Okay, so it's yeah. So see, broke above, pullback, it's going up. So around here, that's our target three. Okay. Um, that's 1 hour. What about 15 minutes? 15 minutes, the yeah, it's coming down. So I'll just just take profit here, you know, um, then wait for another trade to come up. Okay, so 5 minutes if I come. Um, hmm. So yeah, I mean pullback. I think around here, pullback can happen there. Then so what I can do, I can just enter short trade, like scalping trade, and put my stop loss there and my take profit around here. Okay, so that's a really good scalp if it goes there. Otherwise, minus $130, it's not the end of the world. Yeah. So let's go to another Let's actually analyze it from the higher time frame perspective. I'll just disable this. So see, we are still trading above, um, this here. See, so when this trend line crosses this, then like from, so this is your support line. Okay, just watch for this one. Okay, and I have the link here. I have shared it with you in the description below. You can also watch it, okay, on your own chart. All right. It will be on read only mode. And as I said before, if you want access, um, you want access to the website, okay, you can go ahead and like explore the website here. Okay. So see here, it was making LPSY on this one. So I think I'm gonna watch for like when the market comes around this support line, yeah, it's gonna have some like really good reaction there. This one is holding on this one, so yeah, like this week we'll see some movement for sure. Let's actually move on to the gold. XAU was making new all-time highs, and market is just keep going up. And as you can see, it was making backing up action. So yeah, that's the reason it was just going up. Um, because from Wyckoff perspective, smart money concept, people, you see here, they accumulated a lot of gold. This was markup phase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 markup phase. Then like this is your, I mean, if you're considering this as first wave, second, third wave, fourth wave, so this is your fifth wave. And like I think it's gonna probably end around there, right? I think 4,800 is gonna be the um, target for this, and then it's gonna go down. Otherwise, this trend line you see down, descending trend line, it's gonna probably hit there first and then come down. Looking at the 4-hour chart, we have the same story to tell. See backing up action, spring. This was the initiation of this trend, right? And yeah, so like if you wanted to take trade, this was a really good trade to take. And here another one. Okay, 15 minutes. Yeah, it's making a spring here. So it's on this trend line, then we can take trade, because see it's below this one and the market is downtrending right now. We need to break above this trend line in order to go up. And like what's going to happen is like when these two lines meet here around there, okay, and this coming around there, and the market is gonna um like it might go down up like this, break above that, and then it's gonna break above that. So we'll see what happens on the gold. Okay. Um, as you can see on the RSI, it already happened there. So when it comes to around this level, it will just push right back up. Okay. So yeah, yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Please comment, like, and share with your friends. And I mean, you're getting a 3-day free trial. Take advantage of that. And mm, yeah, 30-day free trial, about any indicator you want. Okay, I would recommend use RSI and Wyckoff. Okay. And I'm gonna actually release a course on Udemy as well later on, so that you can learn what I wanna like the that I'm doing and the indicator that I've built. Okay. Um, the course is gonna, release in a couple of months. Okay, so wait for that. Otherwise, you can learn through the tutorials that are in my channel. Okay, and I'm gonna keep updating those. Okay, and I'll actually probably start a Wyckoff uh, trading basic series so that like to explain the concepts behind Wyckoff analysis. Okay, it's basically a funny concept. Wyckoff, those are the same things. Okay, because market is market. Okay. Um. So yeah, guys, go ahead, explore this. Uh, learn more about it if you want. Okay, you can go to TradingView and read through these. Okay, read through these if you wanna learn more about how to utilize this in your own analysis. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much. And yeah, see you later, guys. Bye.